Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to create a business email signature for your email account. The business email signature is very useful because it lets customers know who you are and how they can contact you. It also puts a little face on your business in case they've never done business with you before. It helps you to look more professional and it lets customers know about your other social media platforms that you're on. In this email signature, you can also put a button for anything that you'd like your client to click on. So it's pretty cool. Let's get to it. For our email signature, I'm using an email signature generator by Hubspot. They are a company that has a lot of free tools for business owners, and I suggest that you check them out. So we're going to get right to it. First thing I'm going to do is create a template. And I will post a link also so you don't have to worry about where this is from. I'll post a link in the video and in the details. So I'm going to select my template. I've already filled out some of the information on there, but I'm going to go through everything for you. So this is how template 2 would look. This is how template 3 would look. And they've updated this so you actually can toggle back and forth after you've put your picture in and stuff like that. So after you selected the template that you want, say example, I selected on template number 5 here. Let me show you template number 6. Say I like template number 6, I leave it as that. Then I'm going to toggle at the top with the next tab. The next tab is where you put in all your information. So you're going to put in your first name, your last name, job title, department if you want to have one, your business name, your phone number, your mobile number, your web URL, and your business address. What I like as well is you can go ahead and put in your social links. It is limited to only LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. But you can also create a custom field. In this custom field, you can go ahead and put something like your business motto or a saying that you always do, live life on purpose, dream big, something like that. I'm going to actually put dream big here. That's one of my favorite quotes. I'm just going to put dream big. And there's not much you can do in terms of, maybe you wanted to make this the color. You can't really do that, but you can change the color of the entire thing. So now I'm going to go to this pen icon here where it's going to allow me to set my theme color. For my theme color, I'm going to go ahead and use my business colors. I'm just going to type in my color code here. And as you can see, voila. Now I forgot to show you in the beginning, this is how I want my email address, my email signature to look. This is how I want my email signature to look. And I'm going to put that as my theme color. So it's going to change all the icon colors on the line. For my text color, I'm going to leave it as black. For my link color, I like my business color as my link colors, which is here. And you can go ahead and also change your font. So you can change to Tahoma. Verdana is pretty popular, but I like the Lucida. Okay. Go ahead and you can play with your font size here. And that's it for your stylizing your signature. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the pictures in. I deliberately didn't put the picture in before because I wanted to show you this part because it's a little bit tricky. So now for your pictures, it's not going to be an easy upload like that you're used to. You need to actually post the picture links. So upload your pictures to your Google Drive. Here I have 2 logos here to my Google Drive. And for my profile picture, I'm going to click on my picture here. Click the 3 dots in the top right and hit share. And you will get the link, copy link, and go back to your tab for Hubspot and Control V your picture there and click out. As you can see, my picture appears. For my logo, I'm going to do the same thing. I have 2 logos here. I'm going to use the one without the border. Do the same thing, hit share, copy link, go over. So it's not too bad. Just have Have those pictures uploaded on your Google Drive or wherever you want to get the link, you can certainly do so. And once you hit enter or click out, your logo should appear. And here it is here. Okay. Now, what I like about this is that it gives you a custom call to action. So it says copy. So you want to write what your call to action should be. If you're in the service-based business, I would definitely put something like schedule now or book with me. Let's put book with me, right? You never know if that client or customer is browsing one day through your email, they're looking for your business information, maybe the last time they did business with you. Make it super easy for them by giving them a book button. If that's what they're looking to do, they don't have to go to your website, they can just book with you. Put your booking link in. I'm using Visita for my booking, and I'm going to use again my business colors for that button there. As you can see, the button is quite at the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to fix that because we can play around with our templates. Okay, so if you want all F's for white or all zeros for black, okay, so you can do this, or you can put another thing here. You can use this one or this one. This custom call to action image, it's going to be very big at the bottom, so that's why I'm not using it. But this looks a little bit, stretched out and not pleasing to the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my template, which is my suitcase icon here. And now I can play around with the template and it will automatically configure it for me. So that one I like. This one I like as well. This is the one I had. I think that's the one I had. So I think I had template 6. So you can go ahead and play around with it, but I'm liking, I think, template 3, template 2. Or I'm going to just stick with template 1. So in my email signature, I have this curated with Hubspot turned on so that my clients can create their own free signature anytime that they're emailing me if they'd like to. But you can turn it off for your purposes, and we're all done. Now at the bottom, you can go ahead and clear input fields if you want to start over from scratch. Maybe you were just toying around with it and you're not ready, or you click create signature at the back. It's going to ask you some questions here. I guess it's just gathering some data. And it's telling you to check out your new shiny email for business. Now this makes you look super professional to your clients. I like that you get a little headshot here. Maybe I should do just the face so that my clients can get a little picture of me and what's going on. And of course, they can see where you are on social media, which everybody likes to be a part of. They get to see your logo, business numbers. It's pretty cool. Now, what I like is that these are all hyperlinked already for you. So once they click on your website, it will just take them straight to there. When you're finished, you can do the following. You can copy the signature source code, or email to colleagues. What I like about this is if you click on add to Gmail, it will automatically give you the information of how to do it. But I'm going to show you how to do it. Hit copy signature, over to your Gmail. We're going to go into our settings, which is the gear on the top right, and then go to settings from the drop down. Scroll all the way down to, I'm going to get rid of this one so I can show you how to do it from scratch. Somewhere in the middle, you will see your signature area. I think I passed it there. Here we go. Signature. I'm going to hit create new, and I'm going to name this business signature. While I'm doing that, guys, just want to introduce myself. My name is Shauna T. Jackson. At the time of this video, I am playing around with a new business name. Currently, I'm the Golden Apron. I'm the founder of that, and I'm going to be specifically helping you to use technology in your business so that you can create great, amazing experiences and you can make your customers happy and loyal so that they can keep spending with you and spread the word. So now I've labeled my signature business signature. I'm going to Control V and voila, my email is there. Trust me, if you do this the other way where you paste your photo and you try to write things in here, it is one of the hardest things you're ever going to do. But if you do want to make any changes, you can certainly make them down here. This is to create a link. I think I'm going to do another video showing people how to create links in their signatures, because a lot of business owners, they type out a whole bunch of stuff under their name when all they have to do is put the word website and link it to the website instead of writing out www. This one's written out because this is how this signature is made, but at least it looks pretty nice. Then you're going to go down to signature defaults. For a new email, you're going to hit business signature. And if you want to have your signature on your reply, which I don't like it on my reply, once we get to know each other, I don't want to have this bold signature in your face. I just like to type, thank you so much, Shauna. And don't forget to hit save. Now, once we're saved, we're going to, it's even going to tell you, hi, Shauna, thank you for generating an email signature. And as you can see here, my signature is here. Let's make this big so that you can see it. And this is how my signature look. And you can still make changes if you want. Say you don't like the dream big anymore, you can get rid of that. Hubspot is going to let you know, thank you so much. It's telling you can share with the team and all the other free tools that they use or that they offer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Please like and share this video if it helps you, and tag your business bestie as well. Stay tuned for other videos coming up. Have a good night.